2390 ITC has put out in terms of its standalone net profit this time around, and you do have that which has come in marginally above what we were expecting. We were working with a 14% uptick in the terms of the net profit, 2,343. Remember, there's a lot of factors really working into these numbers with respect to what would have to curtail the overall bottom line growth. So it's not like we were going in with very high expectations first up. The higher tax rate that the company has been battling with, as well as the lower other income this time around, was likely to be a major dampener when it came to the profitability figure. So it has come in marginally above what we were expecting. 8620, that is what they have put out in terms of their net sales figure. And that does seem encouraging, given that we were working with a figure of close to 8,485 thereabouts. And that was close to a 12% uptick. So this has surpassed the expectations.
We've got the EBITDA margins that have come in at 38%, and we were expecting a number of 38.7, so that's almost in line with what we were building in. The other income component, actually, that number's also come out, so number of about 391 crores. I believe the number last time around was about 330 crores, so you've got a bump up coming in on other income, while margins have managed to remain stable.
We do have the cigarette revenues, that's up a good 110%, almost 7,660 crore rupees is what they've put out. The Q3 cigarette EBIT margins stand at 37.21% versus 32.8% on a year-on-year basis.